Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2,379th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. I was going to get in front of the camera this evening, but I thought I'd get this video out before the State of the Biden Express comes out. Straight to hell, if you ask me. And not him personally, I'm talking about where he's sending our country. So we're going to get the State of the Biden Express soon, and I thought, let's get out the analysis before that takes place. So, this game is very risky. Please know that. Never, ever, ever, ever trade without stops. Put them in first. Know that you can lose more money than you had planned if you trade futures or options without proper stops. Where are we? Russell 2000, this is for trading on March 2nd, Wednesday, 2022. Russell 2000 chart. Traders, remember, it all started here. The formation, first one came in, the first head and shoulders, and I've been showing you head and shoulders in all the markets. The first one came in the Russell 2000, left shoulder, right? Then the head forms. It doesn't have to be perfect nor symmetrical. It just has to sort of resemble a head and shoulders. All of that happened along the 200 bar moving average. Wall Street's darling. They watch it like a hawk. Finally, it breaks the 200, creates and finishes off the right shoulder. And boom, we drop into a bear flag. I've been showing you this stuff all along, traders. It's not like I'm showing it after the fact. I had this bear flag in place before it ever actually broke down, and we had those arrows there. So I'm following through. So what's happened since? We went into the bear flag, right? The market drops down, gets in a bear flag. And as we predicted with the down arrows, it broke under the bear flag, has rallied back up. But look at this. Here's the problem with the rally back up. All it did was come up and test the bottom leg of that flag and crack back down. OMNI signal has gone red once again, and I think we're going to sell a major rally. Major. Not a little one. It's got to be a major rally for us to sell short into in the U.S. indices, and likely during the State of the Biden Express, we might get that major rally to sell into. So, that's how we're going to handle the Russell 2000 and or S&P or NASDAQ, wherever we can get a fill. Then there's this. The gold, crazy, nice, strong run in the gold market should continue on. OMNI's beaming green. And I've been showing you this gold chart since this huge pennant flag started building, with the blue lines showing you the pennant flag. And as we started getting towards the top, I started hemming and hawing about gold. You guys must remember the videos. Go back and look in the last few videos. And boom, gold has done what we expected and will probably continue higher. So we will buy dips in gold if we can and sell rallies and indices. And maybe, just maybe, this Biden speech will give us our opportunity to get into one of these markets. Traders, please subscribe to, like, and share these videos. It'll help greatly. It'll help me help others. And remember, no matter what we do, put your stops in first and then say, stops are in. Emotions are out to yourselves when Biden speaks, because I hope we get filled on our orders, and you will need to say stops are in, emotions are out to sit through that one. Traders, good luck out there. Like and share these videos. Join me in my free chat room. No credit cards required. I will see you after the speech.